Hi everyone, and welcome back to Tech Time for Kids. Jack and Luna, how are you today?
Hi, Miss Lilly.
Hi, Miss Lilly. I was just playing my favorite game, and it got me thinking. How do people even make video games? It seems so complicated. Could I ever learn how to do that?
That's a fantastic question, Jack. And guess what? You absolutely can. Making a video game is just like telling a story or building with Legos. You just need the right tools. Today, we're going to use a super fun app called ScratchJr, which is the perfect way to start your game-making journey. It helps you learn the basics of coding by snapping together colorful blocks. So, shall we get started?
Yes, I can't wait.
Okay, let's open up ScratchJr. This whole screen is our creative clubhouse. Look at the middle. This big white box is called the stage. This is where all the action of our game or story happens.
Wow, it's like a blank world waiting for us to create something new.
And I see a cat. Is that our main character in a game? We call that a player character, right?
Exactly, Jack. That little cat is our first sprite. A sprite is just a fancy name for a character or object in our game. There are a lot more sprites available. To add a new sprites to our game, we need to tap the plus sign.
Oh, wow, there are so many. I love it.
Miss Lilly, every great game needs a world. How do we change the background?
That's a great question. Jack, to select a background, we tap this backdrop icon. You can choose from so many different worlds. Let's select any one for now.
Yay!
Alright, now for the most important part of making a game, the coding blocks. Look at the colorful blocks on the side of the screen. These are the instructions we give to our characters. Each color does something different. Let's learn about them one by one. This blue one is the motion toolbox. These blocks are all about movement. You can move, turn, and glide the character with this.
So, we can make our character walk, turn, and even teleport. That's awesome.
Next step is this purple colored looks toolbox. These blocks are all about what our character looks like and what they say. We can make our characters talk, switch costumes, change their size and show and hide to make our sprite appear or disappear like magic.
This is perfect for making our characters act out a story.
Yes, absolutely, Luna. Next, the pink sound blocks are all about adding music and sound effects to our game. The start sound block will play a sound. We can even record our own voice and use it here. We can also use change pitch to make a sound higher or lower, like making our voice sound like a chipmunk. And stop all sounds is a great way to make everything quiet again. This yellow one is Events Toolbox is super important because these blocks are the starting points for our code. Next, the control blocks are like the boss of our code, telling everything what to do. Wait 1 second is like a pause button. It tells our code to wait before doing the next thing. The repeat 10 block is a loop that makes our code do something over and over again, like making our character take 10 steps. The light blue one is the sensing blocks. It let our character sense things around them like a superhero's senses. These screen operators are our math blocks. They help us do calculations and make our code smart. We can use the blocks like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division to do math in our game. The variables blocks let us create special storage boxes to save information, like a score in a game.
So, if our character gets a point, we can just tell the game to change the score by 1.
Lastly, my blocks is for when you get really good at coding and want to create your own custom blocks. We can leave that for later. Wow, that was a lot to cover, but now you know what all the different toolboxes in Scratch do. The next step is to start using them to build your very own games and stories. We'll do that in our next videos. See you then on Tech Time for Kids. If you've liked this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more similar videos. Bye-bye for now. See you later.